Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Grand Hyatt in Kauai. We just got here. This is the second half of our vacation. And we booked a full ocean view with one king for this day. So this is exactly the same layout as the last video or the previous video from 2 years ago. This time I'm doing this sober because the last time I tried to do this I was still pretty intoxicated, so I was slurring a lot of my words and I was making just some really goofy mistakes. And now that I kind of watched the video, I'm going to go ahead and try this again. We just got here, like I said. We've kind of unpacked a little bit, but let's check this out. So walking directly into our room, over to the left we have our closet, and inside our closet my wife has already unpacked, but we do have two very soft robes that say Grand Hyatt Kauai Resort and Spa right there. We also have extra bedding, plenty of hangers, and nice dresser here if you want to unpack. There's also a luggage rack back there, iron, the ironing board, and they left us a nice little bag here. I think we didn't take home the last one, so I think we're gonna take this one home. We will be back to this resort, but it might not be for another year, maybe 2 years again. So let's close that up. Across from the closet, we have the bathroom. Hello, everyone. Don't worry, I'm just drinking water this time around. Inside, over here, we have a toilet. And what's so cool about this toilet is actually a bidet as well. And so you can see the little attachment on here. Not gonna turn on the bidet because it's gonna spray everywhere, and we don't want that today. Across from the toilet, we have this big old shower. I like the shower. It's nice for two people, definitely. They do have their amenities up here. Anara Spa. Yes. They also have a shower head up here, and they also have a handheld wand to get all your bits. All right. There's also a teak, or maybe bamboo, a bamboo bench that goes right inside the shower there. That's our laundry bin, so don't worry about that there. Dual vanity here. And they also have some more of their amenities here. Plenty of lotion, shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. Some glasses. A nice little mirror. Hello again. Plenty of towels, face towels. We also have a hair dryer right in here. Don't mind any of that stuff. Trash can down below. Plenty of hand towels there. All right, let's move on. You can request a microwave, and I think I want to call down and see if I can request a microwave delivered to the room. Anyway, they have a safe right over here to put your laptop in. That's right there. And we also have a fridge. Fantastic. There's an Nespresso right up top up here. You have your Nespresso pods. They usually have a decaf up here. We're not decaf people, so we're going to leave those and request some more regular coffee. Some teas back here as well. They have water. Ooh, yes, look at these water bottles. Still purified water with electrolytes added for taste. Ah. All right, I promise I won't be too goofy, guys. Ice bucket right here. Nice little mirror there. These are your AC controls. We're gonna set that down to as low as it can go, which is 65. We have our king bed. A nice, beautiful king bed, nice and soft. Ooh, yes, I like that. That's fantastic. On this side of the bed, we do have Don't worry about the fan there, that's ours. But there's a phone, a lamp here, and a JBL speaker. I'm assuming this is also a alarm clock as well. So that's there. Nice pen and pad for you to write on. Moving on. All right, so this TV, I am going to say this is probably about a 65-inch TV. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think it's about 65. It's pretty big, decent size. All right, got a nice dresser there or entertainment system. I don't see anything in the drawers. Oh, someone is unpacked inside those drawers. Okay, we're not gonna open those up. We have a table with a couple chairs right over here. We also have our leis that we received on check-in. So be sure and get your leis when you guys check in, okay? All right. Right back here on this little pedestal, you have a couple of plugs here. So there's USB and also regular outlets. So there's two of them, one here and one right over there. All right, moving on to this side again. So this is new from last time. So we have a couple of Qi chargers here, which also have a USB and a USB-C. Sorry, a USB and a USB-C right over there. And we're gonna plug my fan into that USB for now. Okay, we'll do it later. All right. Oh, hey, look, they got a emergency flashlight. That's cool. I don't remember seeing that. You guys see that? Emergency flashlight. Cool, cool. Moving on. And this right here is a pull out. This is a twin sofa bed right here. So that's where our kid is gonna sleep. That's gonna be more than enough for them. And like I said, it's a pull out. And now we are going to head outside. All right. So right here is the patio furniture. Very basic, just a couple chairs and a table. But this is Grand Hyatt in Kauai. Yes, this is why we come back. Look at that view, you guys. We're right next to the pool, so yes, it's a little loud. Zoom in, let's see the ocean there. Okay, so with that said, that's going to be the end of our room tour. Again, this is at the Grand Hyatt in Kauai. This is a king bedroom or king ocean view suite, not a suite. Hold on. Okay, so this is a one king bed ocean view. I've been saying it wrong this entire time. One king bed ocean view. That's the same that we got last time we were here. This time around we just have our kid with us, so we have to share a room with our kid. But if you like this room tour, check out some of our others, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Exploring Yeti, where we're going to bring you more travel, more destinations, Disney, more room tours, and more of Yeti and family. All right, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys again. Have a fantastic day, evening, night, morning, whatever it may be. Make it a great day. Take care.